If you want to make a new Supercell ID, you're going to have to use any of the Supercell games to create an account. So all of these are Supercell games. And for example, we are going to use Clash Royale. So if we go to the game, we're going to make sure that we are logged in and then go to Battle. And then in the top right, click on the 3 lines and Supercell ID. And as you can see, I'm logged in. So I will click on this cogwheel. And now I'm going to click on Log Out. Confirm. Then we want to click on Play without Supercell ID. And now the game will reset and we will have to complete all the 3 tutorial battles. And now that we have completed the tutorial, we will just go back here in the top right and click on Supercell ID. And now we have a Register a Supercell ID option right here. Click on that and then go Continue. And this is where you will type in your email address. And then click Register. And then you will go to that email address and then just type the code that Supercell has sent you and click Submit. And there you go. Your game account is now connected to Supercell ID. Okay. And now you get to choose your name. I'll just leave it as is and click Continue and my avatar. And there we go. Now we have 2 accounts. This one and that one. Hopefully this helps you.